In this video, I will show you how you can do by Toby token. So first of all, welcome in this video. So here is my Toby token. If you notice, $10 worthwhile Toby token everybody gets. So the thing is here, we are do hold is or sell it. So basically, in general, I am doing holding, and what you do, it's up to you. So I hold because of it will be listed on maybe any centralized exchanger like Binance, Bybit, KuCoin, something like that. Therefore, I'm waiting here. So for not selling this token yet. So if you ask that, hey, it is $10, it is not so much, why are you doing a rated video about that? Maybe I get $10. There is a lot of airdropper, those use base chain. Maybe you're seeing here base. If you do any transaction, like maybe had some certain terms for getting this token, because my other address not getting this token. That address, my is main, I used a lot of by doing transaction that get 8. So basically those two like the transaction, and they get this Toby token as well as Panto. If you noticed here, this Panto is basically distributed like Toby, same like Toby. However, so if you see this Toby token here, that it is not listed on any decentralized exchange, any centralized exchange. It is decentralized is listed. So if you wanna sell this token, how do you do that? So let's say you wanna sell. So here is the link, Toby and Ethereum, the wrapped up Ethereum. That is why W Ethereum, if you ask, that it is out of Ethereum network, Ethereum mainnet. Okay, so if you use Matic, if you want to use Ethereum, that is wrapped Ethereum. Okay, so however, we don't need to think about that. Click on this arrow if you want to, and go to your extension browser where you have your MetaMask connected, where you have as well your Toby token. Okay, makes sense? Maybe makes sense. So your wallet would be connected after a while, and you can get access allows by that, and you can feel free to swap, doing trade, whatever you want. So however, it is pretty much loading. I'm gonna go this side manually. Okay, so search sushi. Okay, sushi. Now it is same. It is not working. However, I need to maybe pause here. Okay, our decentralized exchange is opening gradually. So here is sushi is jumping. Okay, it's been loading. Okay, wait a minute here. uh Thank you for your patience. So already opened this site. First thing first, connect wallet here. Okay, I click on that, connect wallet, and MetaMask. Where is MetaMask? Here is MetaMask. Maybe you are noticed here. However, MetaMask get notified already. So if you want to do that swap, you can do. So i'm showing you just, I don't want to sell. Okay, so put your amount here. Let's say, okay, here you have sushi swap is again opening. Maybe I need to choose my account because I'm in just testnet Sopila Ethereum. However, maybe I need to go in base chain. So let me see what happened after opening sushi swap. Maybe something will happen. Wait a minute here. um, uh, if its price is good enough. It is not connected yet. Again, click on here, click MetaMask got notify again, loading. Maybe it will be connected now. Okay, so wait a minute here. Pretty much, okay, I'm connect this one, connecting, and sushi shop is again opening. However, it will be done. Don't need to worry about this thing. I'm showing you how can you do swap your Toby token inside of the sushi swap. Alright, so it's loading pretty much. Wait a minute here. It will be open. Okay, it's not connected yet. Checking wallet. Click on here, MetaMask. It is not working because I'm doing it by mobile. Okay, connecting. So I need to change my fucking network. Go to MetaMask. Click on this arrow button, and here search page. Add network. Click on here. Loading here. Wait a minute. So here is base mainnet. Click on here. Approve. Adding network. Okay. Switch to base. Okay. That is done. Okay. Awesome. So come into here. Inside of the sushi shop. It's loading pretty much. Wait a minute here. Sorry for your patience. Sorry for your whatever. It is loading pretty much. So I'm turn off my VPN. Maybe it's doing problem. Click on connect wallet. Let me see now. Maybe it will be done because I switched their network instead of page chain. Okay, and if it is not work, I'm showing you another way. But before we need to check out that it is work or not. However, need some time here. Like sometimes some decentralization doesn't work on mobile phone, except computer desktop. However, we are trying to do that because everything is work by phone. Wait a minute here. I'm doing like mobile version of this sushi swap. Let me see. And my network is so fuck up. So if you noticed here, my wallet has connected. Okay, so what you should do here, just select your token here. What do you wanna do? Search Toby. Okay, here is Toby, and paste on here. Your amount would be pop up. Okay, here which token you wanna swap on. Let's say you wanna do USDC, whatever, like Ethereum, so let's say if I search the base, okay, let's say I wanna do Ethereum. Okay, so enter amount like 29577 29577 for, okay, imagine approve Toby, it will be done. So I'm showing you how do you do that. I don't want to hold this token, so approve Toby, click on here, your MetaMask will get notified by that. Okay, already get. So sorry for your your time here. So maybe you're learning something here, not time wasting. Click on next, approve, and just click on swap if you want. Successfully approved by Toby. Okay, if you want to swap, it will be done. Okay, I wanna don't do that. I don't wanna do that. So if you wanna cancel this thing, go to MetaMask and here approve token. Click on here. If you click on this three dot button for cancel your site who are connected, so click on here, disconnect. Okay, done. And if you want to do, just come into this sushi shop where that is disconnected already. Okay, pretty much easy, straightforward, everybody can do that. Okay, here is my Toby token, you are seeing. Cancel, confirm. Three, four. So I'm doing cancel this thing to be. However, it will be show up. So okay, straightforward, nothing need to do here. Okay, so see you later in the next time. Until that, happy hunting. If you want to get any specific video about anything, feel free to write down comment.